Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and this is a quick video on how to change the email on your account. This also allows you to keep your same password. So without further ado, let's get started. First, log into your account with the email that your subscription is currently under. Once you have logged in, click the arrow next to your name and click Account from the menu. From your account page, scroll all the way to the bottom until you see your email address. To the right, click the blue Edit button. Here, enter the new email you'd like your subscription to be under, and type your current password to confirm the change. Once everything looks good, click the blue Update Email button. Your email will then be updated, and the next time you log in, you can use that new email and your same password. That's it for this video on how to change your email. If you have any questions or run into any issues, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.